Oh, hello everyone, welcome back to the live stream. And yeah, let me just adjust this one. I hope you guys can hear me properly. So, today we took basically this two trade, okay, and we took it on based on 30-minute and 50-minute time frame. So, we were in a consolidation. If you take a look at the 1 hour time frame here, we were in the consolidation for like 4 to 5, I think 7 hours or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or at least 6 hours of consolidation. After that, this candle was breaking the low of the previous candle. So in London session, I was expecting there will be much volume and price will drive down below these areas and touch this, support level. So on based on that, I took the sell entry over here. You can see that, but it didn't work out. The only reason I think because London session volume was bullish. Simple as that. So we closed like at a 0.50%. Overall, we are down around 1.55%, as you guys can see. So basically, till now we have taken like three trades or so, risking around 0.50% of the account. So our risk is good. The thing is, we have not gotten really good opportunity to take a trade that could be better. So today, in New York session in NY Open, we have a news. Let's take a look at that calendar. So yeah, we have a news. Oh, we are looking at a 24. Yeah, at 6:30 p.m. So right now at 4:30. So we have common speak in around like 10 minutes or so. So I'm expecting some volume coming in at this moment, and after that 6:30 to 7:30. So we're gonna continue our live stream till CB consumer confidence news. So I'm not sure what is it. This uh, this is a conference board latest release. Why traders care? Financial confidence is a leading indicator to consume speeding, which account of a majority of overall economic activity. Okay, so basically we will continue live stream till that. So in 5 to 10 minutes, I'm expecting some volume. So either that will help the price to go up more, further up like some. So if we if we go into the analysis right now today, so take a look at the daily time frame. First of all, we are breaking the highs of the previous candle. Okay, here, as you guys can see here, we are breaking the highs of the previous candle. But the thing is, if we go back below and flip bearish, if this daily candle flip bearish, which is here, okay, and break the low of the previous candle, that's my target for today. Looking at the 4 hour candle, there is a really small wick at the bottom. But it's like if you really zoom in. So whenever there is something like that one, most likely candle do flip. Okay. So we might expect the volume to go up a little bit to 340. But if we flip bearish, okay, and close below these areas, so then I'll be looking for sells. But before that, looking for buys. Yeah, I mean, looking for buys is a little bit not a good opportunity for me yet. Again, the only reason I'm saying that is because whenever gold, fall down, yeah, it does retrace like this. But whatever it does is like go a little bit up. Whenever it create the recent high, it just flip back down. So if I take a buy here, let's say break of the candle, put the stop loss below these areas, then I guess I can see volume come up to like, even if the volume, how much pips will I be risking? That's 0.50% on these buys. And in order to target, like, let's say, even if we target these highs, hmm, that's 0. So that would be, I mean, like $700 or so. So based on my perspective, I'm not looking for buys yet. But let's see what does the news say. Okay. Who's going for here we have. Let's read whatever fundamentals overview we have on FX Street. 382320. I think today is the of the moment. Yeah, federal government speech. Okay. So like it depends on the interest rate if they cut it or not today, I guess. So in 6 minutes we'll see what kind of a volume we have on. For now, if I will take a look at 15-minute time frame, we are still respecting the highs over here. Like candle is closing above this area. So yeah, we are still respecting these highs. But at the same time, I'm waiting for a closure below these areas. I think I need to take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, that's the close. So if this 1 hour candle flip bearish in 6 minutes or so, or close like at this range or under them, and I guess looking for sells will be a good opportunity. But if it get a closure above this area, then that's a good confirmation to take buy. So it's depend totally on that. Meantime, if you have any questions, let us know. Okay. So yeah. Oh boy. How many minutes we have left? 4 minutes left for 30-minute candle to closed and 1 hour candle to closed. Let's see how this candle closure working out. And yeah. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And yeah, I mean, let me know in the chat section. You can write it down. I'll answer it. But yeah, we are focusing on fundamentals as well. We're gonna add another pair as what we call. I don't know if I can see dollar here or not. Does the metal oil? We have oil, but we have only currencies. Then we have cryptocurrency offers. Yeah, you can all. So what we're gonna do? We have 16 seconds left, guys, for the channel to close. And yeah, 5 seconds. Let's see how does this 1 hour candle close. If it close above, okay, it did close above. Taking a look at the 30-minute time frame. Oh, we got a bearish candle over here. Interesting. Now this is going to be not a good trade. Like if I take a buy here, we got a rejection over here. Okay. And I need to risk around 200.30% on this trade. Even if price can continue to go, we have a rejection here to still close below at this areas. And if we get a closure below this area, this time frame, what was the newest thing saying? Interesting. You can look at this. So 30-minute candle did close bearish. Another candle is trying to break the lows over here. So if this 1 hour, if this current 1 hour candle break the low of this previous candle lows, that will give us a better confirmation that price can continue going down. But I think for new 4 hour candle to open, we have this and next 1 hour candle. So like we need to wait 2 hours. So in next 2 hours, will this 4 hour candle, so this 1 hour candle to move till here to here to like to correct this whole move we had in London session, because price have done that before. And yeah, we added this as a rejection point as well. Interesting. Things are really really but anyway, we got a closure below right now. Price is coming down. I'm not gonna execute sells right now. I'm gonna wait. Uh if we got a rejection one time, when the new 15-minute candle does open on this one, okay, if this current 15-minute candle is closing below these areas, okay, and the next candle can first go up, reject these areas again, then I would be waiting if that candle flip bearish again and close below the range, and I'll be looking for sells till below these areas. Okay. And yeah, if you guys have any other theory that like price can pretty can go back up, so let me know.
Good afternoon. My colleagues and I remain squarely focused on achieving our dual mandate
So currently, I think we have still how much people? There are 63% of the C-tier clients are looking for buys, and 37% are looking for sells. So what does that mean? I don't know where price will go. People tell me like you can see the live stream properly, right? If there is any lagging or buffering, please let me know via chat so I can fix it in similar. And right now we still have 7 minutes left, so I'm waiting. I'm looking at some other fundamentals on other sites, like what we can looking at the fundamentals. It's sometimes really hard to understand things that how does will it I mean like how it will affect price mainly. Okay. So I need to learn. I need to watch things properly. Anyway, we have 15 minutes like going down really nicely. So I guess 1 hour have been rejecting. So we got a nice wick. That's good. Prices like coming back down below the range. So if we get a closure on 15-minute time frame and the next candle is rejecting these zones again, like what do I mean by rejecting is like I want that candle when the next candle open up, it go up a little bit, reject these zones, and then flip bearish. And we can see a candle like this. So yeah, you know, bearish candle. Oh, we got a blue candle. Look at that. Anyway, let's see. Let's see. We have 5 minutes. Hmm. We have a strong bearish moment, but yeah, the reason right yet I'm not taking sells is because this could this candle could easily, close above this area, which we really don't want. So if this candle close back above this wick, and yeah, that's not good, no good at all. So what we need is the next for 2 to 3 minutes. If this candle stays here, then we can see the next candle is rejecting those areas again. And yeah, that's where I'm looking for sell. Now we can wait for this 30-minute candle closure below that will give us a way better confirmation to take the trades before. Okay, we have this area marked up right now. We just okay. If we get a break below this area, this wick, oh, that's an 1 hour candle break. So in the next 15-minute time frame, in 1 minute and 30 seconds, once this candle is closed, what we are looking for, that price first should go and reject those area, and then we can take sells for price to drive down below till at least what I'm looking for is in this zone, if it goes in the zone, yeah, we're gonna close that area. So that will be how much pips? Even if you get a break below here, that's still like 500, 0.50%. That's pretty good. So what I'm expecting is from here to here, around 50 pip moment. That would be good. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, 50 pip moment. We're gonna use uh lot size. I will stick with I think 1.5 the usual, because as we are in loss, we should not increase our lot size, right? Damn, we got a closure, but no wick at the bottom. No wick at the bottom. This is really good. I mean, what can I say? I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute. Let's do a fresh analysis right here, right now on gold. So let's take a look at. So we got price printing highs and highs. Look at this. It did print a high here, but after that, price is still respecting the lows on weekly time frame. So we go to smaller time frame like daily time frame. We got price printing lows continuously and while respecting the previous highs. So what does that give me is like price is constantly rejecting these levels. So yeah, if you use a trend line, then yeah, we look at that. Usually I do not use trend line, but anyway, if you go to 4 hour time frame, what do we have here? Price touch this, came back down. We got a huge amount of consolidation here. Then then we had a break. So look at this. I mean, price did break above eventually, and it dropped. Okay, it didn't like break below from here, but yeah. Then we got another what we call consolidation over here, which is this one. Like price ranging, breakout, drop, drop. But this was a big drop than this one. So what we can see is if this 4 hour candle do flip bearish, if it, then I am expecting price could drop below this zone. If it does not, then I think price could touch this areas again. So this we can see a retracement to, to this area. So let's say this zone. Okay, I'm gonna sell I yeah. Okay. What we are looking for is a sell entry at that point, or we need the closure. All these things. We go to 1 hour time frame to check things perfectly. Price rejecting, dropping. So we got this as our selling interest. So we got 30-minute closer in 11 minutes, but let's see, price rate went up, rejecting right now. That's a good confirmation. So in next 10 minutes, if we get this kind of if we get the closure below this areas and the next 30-minute candle do break the lows, then I'm expecting a really good amount of in the downside. Yeah, looking for sell. You know what? Most people when you see a breakout is looking for buys. The only reason they look for buys is we had a huge drop, so they think price could cover that up. But most likely, sometimes price does cover that up, but sometimes it reject and do a fake out and continue going down. So I'm looking for shorts. Guys, if you are watching the live stream, please do leave a like. And yeah, okay, we have 5 to 6 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close, and let's see. We are getting the prices breaking the lows on this area. Should we take the sell? Let's get into the entry point. I'm gonna risk only around 40% on this trade, and our target is this 0. Okay, people, that would be the trade idea we are looking for. From here, if price to continue going down, we got for 35 minutes for next 30-minute candle to open up. It's great. I need to closing around these areas too because we have consolidation all approaching. So price might just retest that or 50% as well. But let's see how does the volume looking. In next 4 minutes will close, but we have clean traffic. So let's see how if this next 4 minutes could be like break down till this points. We are up around $100. We have 3 minutes left for 30-minute candle to close. So our initial target is the same, guys. So Okay, we have 3 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close. Before that, if it's there respecting this lows over these areas, that would be amazing. As soon as the next candle on the 50-minute time frame does open, I'm gonna move my SL at here, 300. Okay, we got 2 minutes left. What I'm expecting next candle should retest those highs, lows and continue dropping. We have 200, pretty amazing, pretty good. 2 minutes left. We are up around 20 pips. One minute, 50 seconds. In 1 minute, there will be another 15-minute candle opening up. So at that time, we might retrace a little bit till the entry point before breaking the lows and continue going down. So I'm need to be prepared that if the candle flip above that areas, then what we're gonna do. Let's see. We can close and secure around like $200, but still now we will be risking around. Till now we have risk around 1.5% on the account, and I think 0. If we are risking around 0.50% or so on a trade, we should at least target around 0.50%. So let's see if we can get around 10 to 12 pips going down. Even if the next candle, this candle close without a wick, next candle will open up and touch these areas, we're gonna close our trade at that point, or maybe close partials at that point. Okay, we get new candle open up just right now. When a 30-minute candle did open up, so let's take a look at the here, what price does. I'm gonna close 0.50. Wait, I think yeah, this might be right. I guess I'll be close 0.50%, 50 lot size of 1.50. Let's see. We prices are down. We are up around 348. We might close partials if it turns back up. Like I'm planning to close partials at my TP and let the restaurant till the down. But if this candle do flip back up, then yeah, I might be looking for partial.
Positions can
If price is flipping up, back up, we're gonna close. And yeah, how much did we close? $52. Pretty good, right? But like, trust me, like the only reason I close 0.50% is to, not get my losses bigger than what I expect. Is this candle could easily flip back up, retest this areas again, and then drive down, which we do not need at all. At this moment, like we can only risking around $200. That gives another trade opportunity that I can take in future. And it does give me that this trade can run, and I'm still targeting the lows. So what it gives me, $700, right? Still I'm targeting the same amount, let's say here. We have 1 hour closure in, this is the last 30-minute candle. So when if we, go up and down, and next time retest continue, we're still good. And even if we get in, I might get after some time another trade opportunity. We can take that. Till now, we have taken total trade 6. We got 5 losses and 1 winning trade that we took right now, just here. Can you imagine, like in 6 trade, I have lost only 1.50%. That's my risk management. So I'm not risking like, bigger amount right now. Just staying consistent with all the things. So as price did flip up and now coming back down, if I take a look at a 15-minute time frame, I would love to, you know, put my SL at BE. Yep. Let's put let this trade run. I mean, we have a news at 6:30, 6:30 or something. So if this trade run till the down as this areas, pretty amazing trade, right? This is a risk-free trade. Let my TP decide on based on 4 hour time frame, because 4 hour candle is flipping bearish right now. That gives me another thing that price could continue going down till the support area. So yeah, this will be my TP at the moment. We got, yeah, we can, yeah. I'm targeting this support area same as before. Let's see if we can get this time. Because past say 2 to 3 trade we have lost because of this wick at this area. So it didn't target any of this, but right now we got fake out 4 hour candle flipping bearish as open of the NY session. What I'm expecting is this volume could continue going down at least till here. We can close another 0.50% here and let the 0.50 run till wherever price goes. That would be my plan. So let's see if we can get this price to that point area. So we got a clean range that price could, till at least come down till here easily. This 15-minute candle will close in the next 5 minutes. We have 20 minutes still left for this 20-minute candle. Oh boy. Hey boy. Have you seen the mean? Oh, today's 25th June. So yeah, we are nearly the end of the month. Interesting, huh? 5 minute is looking so clean. I mean, it's pretty amazing and good, right? If let's say if here right now, if this candle break this lows, clear direction till here. But does it break the lows? Oh, it did. It did break them. Now it's flipping up. Now we see price drawing down. Looks like this 50-minute candle will close nice. Once we approach this area, I need to see if we can close around before this, before this wick rejection here. We are looking for a closure here. We are up around 0.40%. That's pretty good. If I close this right now, I'm gonna down only will be down around only 1% or so on the account. But the only reason I'm not closing, whenever you make profit, you just need to give me a moment, guys. Give me a moment. Yeah, I'm back. So as I was saying that we need to close partial sooner or later, but I'm just gonna wait a little while because this candle will close in 1 minute. We might see some rejection. That price is going a little bit up, you know. If it closes around this area, we are expecting next candle to continue till here before rejecting. So I'm expecting to close here. Okay, we are getting some rejection point at this on in 5 to 10 seconds. We'll see. So in 4, 3, 2, 1, and we got a new candle opening up right now. So if we see price is going till here or break right now, oh, it's I'm gonna close half of the position right now. Why I'm doing this? Because as you can see, there is no top break at the candle. So if it doesn't break, oh wait, it didn't break, and it created a break. Let's wait like 1 to 2 minutes. We are up how much? 260. If we close right now, we will be up some percent. So yeah, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for price to touch these areas before closing partials anyway. The sound is not working well. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. I'll fix it. Yeah. Uh, you said sound is not working well, right? I'm not sure which microphone did I connect it then. I think it should be working fine. Yep, microphone is the same. I guess then it might be the internet connection that will be little bit not good for you. Ooh, we have sun at the top today. We got this 15-minute candle is a little bit retracing right now, but that's okay. As long as we are below these areas. We have 12 minutes left before the 30-minute candle do close. Give me a moment, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Let me turn on my camera. Yeah, we have this 15-minute candle right now is retracing really uh, okay. I mean, but we have 10 minutes left. So I think 1 hour candle is closing, right? Oh, yeah. Then obviously we are retracing a little bit. That's fine. But what we need over here is when the candle do closed, is I'm looking for a closure below before our entry point, in order to next 1 hour candle to like perish nicely. Yes. We have 9 minutes left. We're gonna wait and see how this candle does close. If the next candle is because the thing is it's respecting the lows and highs right now, so we do not have any clear direction where it will go. Okay, that's why we're gonna wait. As of now, this candle is looking like a bullish, but it is rejecting next candle. Let's see. If you guys can hear me properly, just let me know. And if there is a problem with the audio, let me know via chat so I can, see if it's a connection problem or it's my audio or microphone is not working. So thank you. Man, I need to move aside. Thank you. That's great. Good, good. That's better. We have 5 to 6 minutes left before this 15 minute, 30 minute, and 1 hour candle close. And that would be the last 1 hour candle for 4 hour. Okay. So what I'm expecting if this candle is flipping bearish, it break this lows here, and I'm expecting a price to break down. So yeah, if we get closer below this areas, anything, any smaller time frame, oh, that would be amazing. Right now, we'll see. Keep it going. We have a new at 6:30 and 7:30. So yeah, obviously we might, consolidate a little bit before that if there is a volume at that time. So that could stop us out. But yeah, that at least give us another chance to take the trade. And yeah, we took 3 trades. We had one here, and second is running right now. We closed $52 on that. The only reason we closed it was because of here. Thank you, people. Thank you. Yes, sir. We will have new 1 hour candle is opening. So the question is, if the next 1 hour candle to open up, will the 30-minute candle do this? It can easily help us out with our this entry point. Most likely, I would have moved my stop loss up candle, but right now, I do not think so. I will do that. I will wait and see how the candles are first. We have 3 minutes left. Price is rejecting. Let's take a look at the 5 minute time frame, what we are looking at here. Ooh, so we got a doji type candle over here. This means that this candle could continue down till here. Which gives uh-huh. Let's see. I mean, we're still waiting at this point, right? We have 2 minutes left for the candle closure. Where I'm from India, guys. Like, I, it's and yeah, I keep traveling, so must most likely I'm originally from India. Okay, last 1 minute left for candle closure. Let's see. The thing is, this candle respected the highs and lows of the previous candle, which didn't give us much confirmation. So we're gonna see if this next candle opening up in the like start of the candle within a minute or so, if this candle break the highs of this area, then that candle will definitely flip back bearish. So yeah, that's what I'm counting on. And if the candle open up and goes down, then I don't know. And I will anyway we have a risk-free trade, so we're gonna let it run though in both scenario. The candle just open it up. See, and ooh, look at that. This does not look good. Okay, I mean, nah, I think I'll let my SL at BE. I'm not gonna move it because the thing is, if price come those areas, it will definitely reject. Sorry, yeah. So as I was saying, if it does come back up, it will reject. But the thing is, it will take us out while rejecting those areas because there's too many quick rejections to the top side. So our entry point will be not valid, and for our entry point to be valid, we need to put our stop loss above this highs, which means that I need to risk around like again on the same trade, risk around how much? $800? Oh, yes, I need to change West. Yeah, so let's say if I count from one, let's say how much was it? So I'll be risking around, yeah, 500 or something, $500 or so. So I don't think so I would like to do that. So what I'm expecting, if this 30-minute candle drive down, and same for 1 hour time frame, if this candle is driving down nicely, pick the lows and continue going down. Yeah, that would be for everything. And that's what we are looking for. And let's say if price is coming back here at 700 and something something, we're gonna close partials 300 and let the rest run the support. I mean, brother, like मेरे को आइडिया नहीं है, so because hamster comet मैंने नाम सुना है but मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया कि क्या है. Let me check it for you. So what does they do? Convert coin, right? So you make your This is like a game or something because I think it's still coming soon, it says. So it's not launched yet, I guess. I'm not sure about it though. लाइक बेसिकली यूएसडी में कन्वर्ट करवाने के लिए आपको एक अकाउंट चाहिए, तो अगर ये लोग विड्रॉ, ये डेफिनेटली आपको खुद ही ट्राई करके देखना पड़ेगा बिकॉज मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया. सो चेक इट आउट फॉर योरसेल्फ, आई गेस. And keep in mind, there's a lot of scams in crypto industry as well, including in forex industry. So try to spend as less amount as possible on these things. And yeah, like if you have enough capital, then go. If you really want to try it out, then try it out, but with a really small capital, like $10 or so, I guess. Look at this 5 minute candles, rejecting, 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 not breaking above, not below. Not to, or daily candle flip and a pretty low. So yeah, we got daily. Right now, it's 5:30. After an hour, we have news. So as long as we are, even if we consolidate at this point, I mean, even if we consolidate at this point, let's say consolidation could continue, but without waking to the soft side, obviously, and still even reach these areas, we can still close our partials. So let's see. Ooh, I guess we got to break below on 5 minute time frame. Oh, we are breaking the lows. We are breaking pretty good. Let's see. Let's see how this 5 minute candles are reacting. Trust me, like watching smaller time frame, sometimes it's really fun, but sometimes if you're not trading for a really long period of time, you will be like, okay, we got another trade opportunity. Let's take sales on this time frame. But the only reason I do not 5 minute, 1 and 15 minute time frame to take trade entries is it's not a good confirmation. But for, like for me, if I'm looking for trade ideas, I'll be looking 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. On a smaller time frame, I'll be just watching the trade. I won't be like taking trades on them. Yeah, to give me more confidence. An example, right now I'm watching this trade. Like if it breaks this lows, it gives me confirmation that price has still things to do that it can come down, But if it breaking above, then that gives me confirmation that price, it will easily hit me out. Okay. We got a new 5 minute candle opening up. So till now we had three candles that's are like doji candles, but now we had a one candle that is bearish candle. So that is good, bad, I'm not sure. But we'll take a look at the 15 minute time frame. If this price is still respecting the highs over here, I mean that's good, right? Right. Flipping bullish again. Pretty good. Pretty bad. Ooh, we are breaking the highs. Okay. And we have to bring bearish again. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Gonna get myself some coffee thing because I'm not drinking something. So taking a look at a 15-minute time frame right now, we are approaching the low of the candle. And keep in mind, we've not broken the high of the previous candle. So if we now break the low of the previous candle, then I'm expecting that price could easily move till here before taking. Yes, brother, we have taken the trade. You can see we took a sell over here. We already closed 0. Sorry, we already closed like $50 on that. The only reason we closed because I need to manage my risk when price was rejecting. So we are on the sell right now. So I'm expecting that this can continue going down till here, but I'll close my partials at this point. Our take profit is still at this support area because if you take a look on the 4 hour time frame, so we were bullish on this candle on this, right? We're bullish going up, taken out everything. There is stop loss we had above this area, and now we are coming back down. So this flip is the stronger. So I'm expecting that it could easily, with the next candle volume, it could easily continue going down. Did you forgot to turn on your mic? You cannot hear me. I mean, my mic is on, right? Okay. What about now? Is it better now? Do I sound? Or maybe it's because maybe I'm speaking too speedily. Sometimes it does that. It drops our voice. So if I go back, then you guys cannot hear me. There's a noise suppression thing, I guess. So I was explaining that, yeah, we have taken the sell on gold at the moment, and I'm expecting that price could continue going down till at the support with the news we have at 6:30 and 7:30. So we have a really good amount of volume right now, and for our candle is flipping bad. Still no audio. Interesting. I do not understand why it's happening. Let me check it out. Okay. Is it good now? I'm fixing things right now on the live stream. Pretty good. So, yeah, I mean, should be good. What about now? What about now? Is it better now? I think so. Brother, can you hear me? Brother, please let me know if you guys can hear me. Hello? Let me see it from my phone. Oh, damn. Hello? Oh, yeah, I can hear you. I can hear myself clear. Oh, you can hear now? Yeah, I don't know why it's keep happening, but yeah, it's second time right now that you had an issue with the audio. But if you didn't catch me earlier, so I was saying that we took a sell here on the gold. So we had a 4 hour candle is flipping bearish at the moment. So I'm expecting that when the new 4 hour candle do open up, I'm expecting some volume that price can drive down till the support area we have over here. So yeah, I'm targeting those lows at the moment. Taking a look at the 15-minute time frame, we are breaking the lows here. So if we break these lows, that gives us more confirmation that price can down at the earlier support at this area, this one. So if we come around this area, we will close our partials. Okay. So that's the, if you guys have not taken an entry, I guess this 15-minute candle, this could be a good entry point. This one. Oh, what did I select it? Yeah, so this break of the low and put stop loss above, price can. Okay, I understand why you guys cannot hear me is because my OBS was reconnecting for some reason. My Wi-Fi is, let's check the Wi-Fi. Let's check. Let's check our speed test. Okay, let's check this. What do we have? Is it really bad? Is it that bad? Oh, okay. We do not need to right now. I do not think so that it's bad. We are still getting around 50 Mbps. Yep, I guess we are good. Yeah, we are good. I mean, Wi-Fi is pretty good. So I don't know why OBS did the reconnection thing, but sometimes it does. So let's focus on this one. We have 30-minute closure in 7 minutes. Yep, even I think so that NY session is good for you because for past 2 to 3 days, London session was moving a little bit, you know, not good. I can say that much. And even though we had this entry over here on New York session, the only problem was that I didn't give enough room for my trade to run out. Otherwise, I could have caught the whole move till here. Not the whole move. I mean, I would probably close my entry at these areas as price could reject and continue, you know. So, but yeah, I think NY session is good for me. We're gonna do live stream most likely in NY session from now on. So yesterday, me and this guy in the chat, we had a really good chat related to the gold that my entries are like, why do I take losses for like 3 days? So it was because like most likely because of my entries or I didn't understand properly the price actions. So yeah, it happens, I guess. Oh, we have a mark replay button. Let's see here. The starting capital. Okay, give me a second, guys. I need to attend a call. Hey, hey. Yep, I'm back. Yeah, hello, brother. Hello. Tell me, like, do you guys think that with a 4 hour candle volume, like how many minutes we have? Okay, we have 35 minutes. So I guess 5 minute candle. Okay, we have 5 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close. With the next 30-minute candle, I'm expecting that price should continue going down. Okay, so if we at least just till touch down this support areas, This one, I'll close my partials. Give me a moment. I mean, like, I didn't know when I become so much important to all of these people. Okay, I'm back. Let me turn on my camera. So, yeah, as I was saying, I don't know why, but yeah, my friends were telling me that we need to go out. Yeah, yesterday it was his birthday, so yeah. Again, back to the explanation. Yeah, we were saying that if we get at least touch these zones over here, then I will be looking to close my partials. After closing my partial, I'll let the rest of the trade run, and yeah, that's what I'm looking to do. In next 3 minutes, we have a closure in. I think we can easily touch these areas. Actually, I had a whole journal of me taking trades from 20, I don't know, 2020 or 21 for 6 months. And that was a pretty good journal because I was journaling everything whenever I take the trade and everything. So most of the trades that I at that time, I realized that most of the trade that I took was in New York and London session. That's why I removed Asian session from my time and I was focusing on this two only. So sometimes trade doesn't work in New York session because volume have shifted to London session, and same goes for London to New York. So yeah, it happens that if you are losing trade, check your time, volume, and everything. Yesterday, this guy, the Enigma, we had a pretty good chat. We were debating, I guess, but yeah, it's good. That's why I have created the Discord group, or you can say the live stream, that we can discuss things, we can learn from each other. Again, give me a minute. Okay. My plan to go out is cancelled. We're gonna do it on 27th. Oh, what do we have on 27th? I think we will see a really good amount of volume today in gold. For some reason, I have a feeling that after half an hour, the news when will hit, we might see really good amount of volume. But if we break above these areas, trust me, I think that won't be good. Then this as a count as in consolidation and price break above that, it will continue going down till this zone. This zone I have marked it out as a rejection point that price could cover this much up and before continue going down. But right now, let's focus on these things. We have how much left? 1 minute left for 30-minute candle to close. Then, yeah, 30 seconds only. 30 seconds left. Do you guys think that next candle, when we open up, it could, ooh, look at that rejected. Just retest that lows and now it's rejecting back up in last 30 seconds or 5 minutes. Pretty good, right? Okay. I mean, I should be ready to close my partials as soon as we hit these areas, right? We're gonna enter the RRI 2.50 because there's a really good volatility is coming in. Yeah, it is. So let's see if we can see that as soon as the price touches this area, I'm gonna close 50%. Simple as that. Oh yeah, today's CPI on CAD. That's why Canadian dollar. That's why we are seeing so much volume. Okay, prices approaching the lows. Respecting, we're gonna as soon as it touches this zone, we're gonna close. Chat, let me know. What do you think? Should I close partials? We should always secure profit, right? Yeah. Be the trader first. I like that. Okay, we are approaching. We are approaching. We are coming down. Ready to close? I'm gonna close right here. Well, we close 50%. So how much is it? So we close around $300 again today. So one trade is still running. I'm gonna let this trade run to the bottom over here as we have new forward candle opening up. Look at this, okay? So we had a huge London session where at that time I was expecting this move that price will go down and fill up the whole VIX and everything, and that's this zones area here. But we got that move in New York session. So instead of like how price is doing thing is like when we are expecting that price will go down and touch this zone before going up, but what it did, it went up first. Because the only reason I think it did went up is there are a lot of stop loss over here, because whenever once it created the highs and people started taking sales here, they started putting stop loss exactly above these highs. So I think that created more liquidity to take out, and then we are right now continue going down till here. So people are taking sales here, obviously price will come back up, recheck these zones again before going down. The another thing I learned is we do not close profit every time. Like if it was a small range, I would have closed full. But I seen that price have a really strong momentum to the downside, looking at this big drop. So I think holding for like some period of time is good, because if we get a flip to the upside, we still have secure like some profit. We are good to go. We are, I think I'm gonna, yeah, dollar at a break even. We have 1 hour candle. Another thing is like we get a really good amount of bearish pressure, but at the same time that no, but sorry, not there is no top wick. Yes, it happens most of the times. It goes was in the option of direction in London and then the real move in New York session. Yeah, I mean, agree. Now the trade is risky, 100%, brother. Look at this. I mean, after touching this support levels, rejection, and now it's coming back up because there was no top wick at the top. If I had noticed that earlier, I would have closed full at this area, but I didn't. So even if I didn't notice, I'm still gonna, let the trade run because this price, what it can do. Let me see here in the past price actions. Okay. Look at these areas. I'm just gonna show you. We got a rejection first. Second, this did went up a little bit, but then we had a fake out and still coming back down. Another rejection. This level became a support. So when you do draw support or resistance, you need to take a look at the sometimes in the past actions that how is it creating up. Okay. But when I look at the support and resistance, I'm looking for 4 hour as well. So this area of draw is, if you take a look here, you see what I'm saying, right? Candle closing exactly below these areas. So I'm pretty sure that this 4 hour candle will stay below this area and close below those zones. So I think that when the next candle do open up, even if you see wick to the top side, the wick could be most likely till here because yeah, most of the wicks are to the tip. Yeah, it could still go down, obviously, yes. But yeah, as I was explaining, even if this new candle open up after 22 minutes, we see a top wick to the till here, then I see the real move coming back down. And you know what? Like this we are targeting only this area, right? Next candle could have potentially go down till this zone. This zone, we have this on daily time frame because take a look here. We break the high of the previous candle. We are still rejecting this area. So if we break the low at this point of the previous candle, then I'm expecting that it could easily fill up this area of wick, right? So if you go to 4 hour time frame, what I'm looking for is the whole this wick. So even if this candle touch this area, we can still let it run till this area. But I'm gonna close, I'm gonna close it here, I guess, most likely. How much we are getting? 642. Guys, if you have make some profit on this trade, do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, that's it. We do not like to sell you things. Actually, I won't. Right now, there is no need for me to sell anything. Why would I? I'm still learning things. If I learn it properly, if I learn the skills that is like amazing one, you can say, then I could, probably sell that thing. But for now, nah, I'm still learning things. I'm just a kid. With the 10 a.m. Oh, bro, where are you from? Like, what do you mean by 10 a.m.? Are you in different part of the country? Which part? It's still morning. So yeah, right. New York time 10 a.m. So because of for me, that will be 6:30 p.m. So We have 19 minutes left before the 4 hour candle do close. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, 4 minutes left before this candle do close. So what I'm expecting when this candle did closed for next candle to close, take out this area. I mean, I think probably it will go a little bit up if it closes around this area, and I think we can see a move down till here. But let's see. Most probably it could be cuss out. So let's see. Let's see. Let me put my Discord group link into the chat if you guys want to join. You're welcome. Yep. Let's do a fresh analysis from on GBP USD first. Taking a look at the monthly time frame. First of all, we are looking at really consolidation, really good consolidation, I guess. Looking at this candles, no good. Looking at the weekly time frame, we have this as a really strong resistance at this point. We got a fake out here. Let's mark that fake out. Okay, what do we have then? We got a pretty strong uptrend going on. Okay, the price is retesting this area before going up and up. Take a look here. We got a huge, oh my god, we got a huge amount of consolidation. We got a huge amount of consolidation. Then we had a break below, testing these areas, coming back into the consolidation area again. Looking at the zone, interesting. We had a small consolidation zone breaking out of that, then coming back now. This is the same thing breaking out of that, then coming back down. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. 4 hours, sorry, I mean. So we had a nice that price was trending. Then we had this. Price was not going anywhere, I guess. Price did break out, then break below. So let's go to a smaller time frame to check this out. So we had a huge consolidation zone, but before that, prices went up, take out some stop loss, and then coming back down. Take out some, I guess, entry and stop loss again. Now, what we are seeing is a trend here. What do I mean by trend is because if you take a look, this we have over here is a pretty good price direction. I mean, sometimes trend line doesn't work at all, but trend line should not be like a key rejection point. Like it should be touching those areas. That's not a trend line. Like when you take a look here, that price is trending like this way. That's a trend line. What I mean. So we got first price touching area here. So let's draw that again till here. Okay. That even if I count this, that's still not okay. Okay. We had a till here. Let's say we got to move down. I'm gonna delete this one right now. Then we had a little bit of a consolidation, not a consolidation because yeah, this was the consolidation. Price break out of that, we went to this area and then coming back up. Then what do we after that price did affected. So let's see where is this from here till here. That's 1.50% move. From here to here, that's 0.64%. So I think that's a 50% retracement for price continue to the trend. 0.91%. This is like 61%. Again, the same amount of a retracement we see touching the trend lines. And I think right now what we can see on a different time zones, this area on a 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame. So we might seeing some bearish movement on GBP USD. That price could continue. We are in a consolidation zone at the moment. You can see this area. This is the consolidation zone. What I'm expecting is after the break of this consolidation zone, we do a retest and then price could go down. Yeah, that could be a good potential trade. I'm not looking for any entries on GU. I'm just explaining things that the way I look at it. Looking at the GBP JPY, if we had a whole overview at this moment that we are breaking above these highs over here, but at the same time, if you look at the price, let me remove this object. Delete. Okay, let's go to a daily time frame to take a look at this price action. So small wicks. Oh my god. Let's target this area. Price have broken above. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, we are seeing some price that have been respecting this. So I mean, break above, retest, continue the trend. GJ, I think I will remove it from here as well. The way I see the price action, because this is a look at this. Like price was when I was trading, like it was in 2020. Like when what is like where is the 195 and yeah this area? As was here before. Now it's keep trending up and up. It's like so consistent with long term gain, you can say. Anyway, where are we with the okay, we got a new 15-minute candle open up. So it's been 5 minutes from that. 30-minute candle looking good. We have 10 minutes left for 1 hour, 4 hour, and every candle to close. So if we get a closure like this one, I'm expecting next candle could touch these zones and potential to back up, back below, and continue till here. When we see the new 4 hour candle opening up, I will expect that when it does do the retracement thing, I'm gonna be looking for another good entry point. Oh, you guys cannot see me. I'm so dark. Give me a moment. So, oh, we are at the we have 3 minutes left before the candle close. So in next 3 minutes, if we you know bounce off this area, I'm expecting that obviously 4 hour candle could go a little bit up, retrace this areas before coming back down to here. Okay. I hope you can see me a little bit now with the light, but I don't have a light stand this side. So that's why you will see a little bit of a darkness, little bit. But anyway, why do you want me to show my face if you can see the profit, Hey, 2 minutes left, 2 minutes left. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, looking good. I would love to close my trade before the retracement, to be honest. But the thing is, should I or should I not? Because we can move up or down. We do not have a top wick on 30-minute candle. Hmm. Let's see, in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Oh, we have news as well, people. We have news. So we'll be taking a look at that as well. We have, it's not major news, it's a really medium news, you can say. It won't affect that much to the market, but it will definitely give a little bit of a volume to the trade. So if that volume is good, we have arrow to the upside. If we have volume to the downside, then we see a break below these areas. In 48 seconds, we got the news. Okay. We got 20 seconds. So we have 21 second, 20, 20, 20. Like, look at this price. I think it will close exactly at the support or what? We have 765 and 4321. We are approaching. Oh, we got close. We got the news, which is still pending, but it's in the market. Not. They were expecting 0.03, which is bad for USD and not bad for USD. Bad for currency. Gold. This is good for. Okay, we got basically we got a news in both favors. So here's the thing, right? We got a two news over here. So we got a 7.2%, and we got here's they were expecting 0.03, but we got 0.02. So we got a volume to the both. If we got both negative, that means that it's bad for USD, and price would have. But right now, we're gonna wait and see if we. I think, oh, price is moving down. So, okay, now I'm gonna move my SL to here. Let's see. Because now I would be looking for a closure, but we just see that price is covering. But even if we touch this wick at this point, that's still $600 or so, something. But yeah, we are still looking for price at this point here. If price flip bullish, should we like for price to go up a little bit before coming down? But the thing is, looking at the current 4 hour candle, price have made a huge wick and it's now flipping bullish. So with this, if price come back up this much to the upside, it will take us out. Hmm. Too much of a thing. I would love to close my trade right now, to be honest. Looking at these candles, this is a rejection thing. We are rejecting the fix, I guess. We got a wick to the bottom side, and looking at this trade, if we break below this area again, then that just gives us confirmation that price could go down. But if it continue going up, oh, then I think we will have a big retracement before going down. So we have another news coming in after an hour or so, but I'm afraid I won't be doing a live stream till then. Okay, because we already made some profit today. How much is it? $350. But okay, no, overall we are down $164. But eventually, if I do close this, back to 0.20% in profit. But I think I'm gonna hold this trade right now. I'm expecting that price could reverse after touching these zones. Price could reverse and come back down. So still gonna hold it. And there is no need for me to close this trade. Okay, people. I guess I will go then. I told you I will wait till 6:30. So it's already 6:35, and yeah. So as I was saying that we're gonna go. Okay. Well, I will see you tomorrow on the live stream in New York session. Till then, take care. Thank you for being part of this. trading journey. I hope I see you in the next live stream. Till then, bye bye. Take care.